Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to update your Bluetooth driver. So if you are facing problem with your Bluetooth, perhaps the problem is because your Bluetooth device not updated. I'm not up to date the driver to your PC or laptop. So you just find right click or you just press start and then type in for device manager. It's supposed to be a similar method if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I'm here using Windows 10, so click device manager and then find the Bluetooth option. Right click on it and then properties. Open Bluetooth here. And then for this, you make sure you update all of these options. So you just right click and then update the driver, and then just click search automatically for driver, and then if the Bluetooth updating, it's supposed to be has a progress loading here. So that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.